It just give the youth them the intention to fire the gun right through you have a trigger.
So water gun where we grew up with as kids playing with can now give you 15 years behind bar. But do you think the government is going too far? I want to hear from you, the Jamaican people. So come and we talk. What come to your mind when you hear them say 15 years for a water gun?
No come to my mind. That is just stupidness.
Yeah,
Water gun no make a Jamaica.
yeah,
And then the government import it.
yeah,
So how the people will import it and you sell it to the people? What about the people who sell it?
yeah. Okay. So you feel like them should have banned the importation of
Ban
it?
the importation completely. What the government do a foolishness.
But really and truly though, you feel like water gun bring no harm?
How water gun go bring harm?
Yeah,
It cannot bring no harm.
yeah,
Water gun cannot bring no harm to people. You understand? Water gun no make out of metal, it make out of plastic.
yeah,
And it just use water, you know, use the farm of solid nothing.
yeah.
And if you are going to ban water gun and tie gun and a whole, ban the importation. Because it no make a Jamaica.
So I'm to man them when where you say use the fake gun them in the music video and thing. You feel like them should have bother them man there?
Well, I'm not sure how them are going to deal with that.
Yeah.
But when you look on a miner with a water gun and you tell them thing there, a stupidness that.
Much respect.
Me say that.
So the people them, the government say 15 years for water gun and tie gun. How you feel about that?
Well, to me, you know, to as the youth them nowadays,
Yeah.
you know, when they reach certain age, they mama deal with gun business. And we live in a one country now that's you come in like I say, well, and with that Texas where you have fastest gun alive and what abuse. So I don't believe in that. So well then from further on they should disband that for a long time the water gun and whatever concern the gun business apart from the real gun. For when a man must supposed to carry gun, I must have a soldier or a police or a license firearm. So me against it. You understand? Me no love that. Me no love the idea with the tie gun business them for a longer time. You only update up the youth them feel further on. You understand?
But you don't feel like so though. Remember you know fire real shot you know water come out of it you know. So you don't feel like them are overdo it.
Yeah, me agree with water come out of it. But what me say, it just give the youth them the intention to fire the gun right through you have a trigger. The dry and the water come from the gun.
But as a man like me and you do, you know them things that they about from in a fluid time.
Yeah.
And it never really said you feel like it did influence you if you feel like you want on gunman.
Yeah, no. But no, when me say that, it lead up to now, the youth them now at days. Everything you them a talk about gun.
Yeah.
And the gun, then business now. Well, I mean, what me have to say? Me no love. Me no like that. For attention, this brand them for a long time. For youth have access to a gun. Whether water gun, tie gun or whatever. If I give them the mind to grow up to be a gunman.
Okay.
You understand me? Me don't know about nobody feeling, but that is my thought and my feelings, you know. Me don't get me wrong, I'm right. For a gun belongs to an army man,
Yeah.
a police, and gun belongs responsible gun to a man or licensed firearm. So it just encourage the youth them. You understand?
Much respect. When you hear say 15 years in a prison for water gun, what do you think about that?
When you say water gun thing now, 15 years for a water gun, no make no sense. Cause if the normal gun where you have, the real gun where you have, a man now get 15 years hit. So how you give a man 15 years for a water gun? That's wrong. Water gun are from before me a boy, you know, now me a old man, you know.
And that name make you feel like you want to no gunman, don't?
No, God, that is just a tight thing when it come Christmas time. You know, you always love your water gun where your friend them run up and down and play. So, why now them are going to say, them are give you 15 year now for your water gun? That no make it.
Yeah.
Come on, Anjo, man, turn back that, man. Come on, go back on the giant board, man. That no real. You see me? Come like you must say I drink too much.
Yeah. So you don't feel like say them if you focus more upon a real gunman and allow the kids them alone?
Yeah, that's true because normally, you know talk about the man with the real gun, You talk about water gun.
Yeah.
And if a man have a real gun, how much year you give a man for a real gun? If you give a man 15 years for a water gun.
Yeah.
I remember water gun come under all kind of color.
Yeah.
A natural gun come in a one way, you know.
Yeah.
Blue steel, you know.
Yeah.
So, come on, man. Them need to go back on the drawing board, man. Them to take back that, man. Draw back that, man. That not ready. That not ready.
So if you're a youth now there your yard now I play with water gun and you see police come take him up, how you da feel about that?
No, we not go feel good, you know, because you have a thing with them call name human rights.
Yeah.
Human rights have to come in and you see if you get rid of the water gun, you have to go stop the Chinaman them from sell it.
Yeah.
Because normally, you know, say you have some little gun with them fire, some little shot with.
Yeah, yeah. The prop gun.
Yeah, the pop gun them where you carry two of them.
Yeah.
See, you know what I say? Oh, them not talk about them gun, they just water gun.
That included too, man.
That included too. But what I'm saying still, first thing first, you know, you have to kill the root before you kill the branch, you know.
Yeah.
So if the water gun are going to come in by the China them, the government have to stop the China them from carrying the water gun. Because at all, every year them will sell water gun.
Yeah.
Right? And you have water gun party, water party where you use water gun, all different type of water gun. You understand? Making it all different shape.
Yeah.
One time if a man used to use a water gun, rob people, them can't do that anymore.
Yeah.
Them days they're done with. So, only thing me have to say, him have to stop it from the road. Because if the water gun, the Chinaman, them must sell it.
Yeah.
And him don't stop the Chinaman, them from sell it. Him can't give my son 15 years for water gun. Not on their life.
Yeah. Which is right.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, heads of government, when you roll back that, man. No look back on the drawing board, man.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
Yeah.
Because every Chinese boy have water gun to sell.
Yeah.
And you don't know how you think that. You understand?
True.
So, you have to go back to them drawing board, man.
Alright.
Them not deal with the thing good, man. And one thing more I use this to tell them, say, you know. You see what I say? We get some ticket from the police them, and when we go to court, we get all one $2,000 ticket. So Andrew, you may have talked about this. When you get a $2,000 ticket, and you say it becomes a outstanding ticket, and when you go to court, the judge them all charge you 20 grand fee. That's not right.
Yeah.
We're supposed to have a limit amount of money where we can pay for your seatbelt ticket.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you get the seatbelt ticket, the thing rub off. You not even remember that. So it becomes an outstanding ticket. And when you go to court, judge want charge you 20, 15,000, $10,000 for one $2,000 ticket. That's wrong. And them things that them pay focus on. You see it, my brother? Heart I love, man.
So when you hear 15 years of water gun, what do you think about that?
That is foolishness, man.
Why you say a foolish?
Exactly, because water gun that stop killing because of picnic ties, that, you know.
Yeah.
So if you get 50 years, picnic ties.
Yeah. So you used to play with water gun when you grew up, don't?
You go pick up your water gun, we shoot, you know.
And that never make you want to turn a gun, man.
Okay.
Okay.
So me ask one question. How that the law fi come in the country
Yeah.
without nobody say anything?
Yeah.
That is foolishness.
So you feel say government gone too far.
When the business you want to go too far, that is foolishness.
Okay. So you say you not say them out of touch with reality then?
No, what I'm saying, that with this one water gun, before you say that, from the people that we are carried in,
Yeah.
before you make us speak like that.
Okay.
That sound good.
Yeah. Alright, my bad. When you hear 15 years of water gun, what come to your mind?
I don't think water gun is safe because you don't know when it's water.
Alright, but remember say the water gun them come in a colored and we as kids we grew up and play with them thing there, you know. So according to them now, it leave from water gun to real gun. You really feel say go like that?
I'm not. I don't know what to say, but yes, I would say yes.
So if your children right now are play with water gun and police say I want to lock him up, how you da feel about that?
How would I feel? No. If it is water, then I wouldn't expect the police to arrest them.
Yeah.
But it all depends on the age of the child,
Yeah.
too. Yeah. It all depends on the age of the child.
So you don't feel like the government gone too far with that one though?
Well, the government have to do what they have to do because children nowadays are not children like back in our days.
Yeah.
So anything is possible when it comes to them. You can't rule out nothing when it comes to these generation of children.
Alright. When you hear them say 15 years for water gun, how you feel about that?
No, that can't really work because water gun is easily to identify as a person, even a baby as a seat, as a water gun, you would easily know, say, yes, that's not a real gun, that's a water gun. So it can't really charge for. Them have to just ban it if them want to and get rid of it into a different way.
So you don't feel like say them take it too far and should have focused more upon the gunman them and allow the kids them alone.
Yeah, because them can focus more on lower kids them alone. And well, I know everybody really buy water gun give them kids because me know me wouldn't buy one give my child, but other people will gravitate and buy it still.
So now that water gun illegal, seeing if you see somebody with water gun, you would have call the police.
No, there's no reason for call the police because at the same time it can't hurt. It come in a blue, pink, purple, so what? So at the same time, everybody knows, so yes, that's a piece of plastic.
So you would have say Andrew them out of touch with the people then.
Yeah man, them I get from bad to worse with the people then. Me answer the caller.